What attracts an awful lot of people is the view here. Lough Muckno, Ash Mountain, Slieve Gullion. It's a pleasure actually to tell people where all this scenery is. My name's Michael Smith and I have the lease here at Concra Wood Golf and Country Club. We call the restaurant and bar, the View Restaurant and Bar at Concra. Concra Wood was set up by shareholders and members of Castleblaney Golf Club way back in 2002. We developed the golf course and clubhouse over a period of years. We eventually opened the restaurant in 2010. I took over the restaurant then in 2012. We've been here ever since with an excellent team of chefs, waiting staff and managers. Even though it's a golf club, it's not exclusive to golf members. We get a lot of support from the local community and surrounding areas. At weekends, we would be a very busy place, so we would recommend that anybody coming for lunch or dinner at the weekends, that they book in advance. We are supplied by local suppliers, Avonmore and Drumlins Gold Food. Well, certainly we will be regarded as a family restaurant. A lot of food that would be sold here would be steak and chicken dishes. Very popular for fish as well, because we get supplied from Lough Head a few times a week. It's coming in fresh, so we would have a very good product there. Sea bass would be a very popular one. Hot spiced wings, and that would be an example of what we do. My favourite is our burgers, which we mince ourselves here and we put them together, so they're made freshly every week. Concra Wood started off as a championship golf course, and as a result of that, we get a lot of visitors, societies, and some international golf tournaments here over the years. It would be a very popular place because we're sort of midway between Dublin and Belfast, so we would get a northern support and southern support coming to play their society golf. Every classic that takes part here is contributions made from that to local charities. We have a good club atmosphere here, very enthusiastic members in that club that help to maintain the course in the condition that it is in.